I've had a few requests to go over the L pull-up, so today I'm going to break it down and show my approach to training this movement. I generally have my clients work on the L pull-up only after they are pretty consistent with regular pull-ups. So I recommend training your regular pull-up. Don't worry about the L shape in the beginning. And once you are quite consistent at pull-ups, then you can start working on the L variation. The way that I approach the L pull-up training is pretty similar to how I would approach regular pull-up training, basically training each piece of the movement and then bringing those together over time. So we have the bottom hang position, we have the top lock-off position, and then we have negatives, which helps you to train the full range of motion. Here's a quick demo of the full L pull-up. I'm going to start in my bottom hang position, lift the feet, and then pull all the way up, keeping my legs out in an L shape. To break this down, as I mentioned, you can be working on the bottom hang here. So getting into your setup and then lifting and just spending time there. That's pretty tough just on its own, but you do need to be able to do that in order to be able to pull up. For the top range, same idea. We're going to get set into position here, and then you lift the legs, and same idea, you're holding that static L position there. And lastly, you can work on the negative. So starting in that same static position and then lowering down very slowly with control, trying to keep the L going the whole time. Again, this is very difficult to do, even if you are quite proficient at pull-ups. This is kind of another game. So don't be surprised if it is tough when you first try it. One thing you can do is go to a modified L. So instead of maybe having the legs fully up, you can be here and train with a bit of an angle. So that can make it a bit easier to start. It's still quite challenging that way, but if you build that up, you can then build into the full L over time where your legs are straight out. Of course, there are a lot of other drills you can be doing off the rings or off the bar as well. L-sit work and compression work and all that good stuff that will help for this. But if you want to actually try working on the rings and see where you're at, these sorts of drills can be useful, even just to help build general strength. So maybe the L pull-up isn't necessarily your goal right now, but getting some L hangs could be a good tool for you just to kind of build things up, add some variety to your program. Now, this may sound obvious, but a cue that helps me a lot is to think about lifting the feet as I work on these drills. Of course, that's what we all see happening when we look at someone doing the L pull-up, but when you actually try it, you'll see that it is quite tough to do. So cueing yourself as you pull to also lift your feet should help to kind of build that up over time. This is a really tough movement. Even if you are fairly advanced at pull-ups, it's going to be tough when you first try it for most people, but it is worth working on, especially if you are looking for more challenge in your program. Try out some of these drills that I showed and let me know if you have questions in the comments and I will help you out.